Hey Sunny Solution fans, tonight I wanted to show you how to do your own homemade furniture polish. So if you're watching this live, give me some hearts and likes. If you're watching on the replay, do a hashtag replay. Also let me know if you try this recipe. I'm using sweet almond oil. Now some people use fractionated coconut oil and that's completely fine. Other people have used light olive oil, that would work as well. So I already have everything pre-measured, so it's 6 ounces of the sweet almond oil. And then they do recommend a glass spray bottle. However, I just have one of these travel size sprayers that I bought in the Walmart travel section. And it's an 8-ounce sprayer. And so I'm just gonna pour this in. I store this in the fridge so it got a little cool. So that's why it's a little bit thick coming out. And then the recipe I have is just 5 drops of arborvitae oil. And then if you don't have arborvitae oil, you can use cedar wood. Another oil that you might want to add is a drop or 2 of lemon oil, just because it has that clean lemony scent that a lot of us are used to using for furniture polish. But the arborvitae oil is from the cypress family, and it's found in North America, and it is known as the Western red cedar tree. So arborvitae has a lot of health benefits, but it's a natural insect repellent. And so if you think about how these trees are, when they finally die, they fall over in the forest and they don't rot. They just lay there and literally the forest just kind of stacks up with them over time. And so the Native Americans used the arborvitae tree for a lot of medicinal purposes. And you can apply the arborvitae oil on the bottoms of your feet and it helps with stamina. So you think about longevity, the arborvitae oil would be great for your furniture polish. So I just gently shake this up, and then you'll want to spray it on a microfiber cloth and dust your furniture down. You don't really need to spray it right on the furniture. It doesn't take much to polish it. There are some other recipes out there if you need a deeper wood cleaner. Actually, I have one right here that I'll give to you. So if you have hardwood floors or some oxidation on your wood, you can use this recipe, and just a couple times a month. But you can add a 1/4 cup of light olive oil and a 1/4 cup of vinegar, and then 10 drops each of, or either, lemon, wild orange, arborvitae. And then you can scrub your floors down or whatever wood that needs polished up every 2 to 3 months. So to keep your wood healthy. And it's just a simple recipe to use without having a whole bunch of chemicals in your home. And so if you have some questions, let me know. Or if you try this, let me know how you like it. I'm excited to have a new bottle to use. So with that, have a great night and enjoy this recipe. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.